Don, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yes, I own property along I-95, and when I bought it, there was a billboard on there.
All right.
And I now have an agreement with the people that that hold the tags on it. My question is, who actually legally owns the physical billboard?
Well, Don, because my family owns a billboard, I kind of know the answer to this question. And you might think that you own it, but Don, more than likely, you do not own that billboard. You do not own the tags. And so the bottom line is you can continue to strike a deal with that billboard company who will lease your land so they can put their billboard on your land. But if they don't like the deal, then they can pick up their board and their tags and go to the property next door. Don, does that make sense to you?
That sure does. I understand it.
Hey, Don, let me say this, too. Are you dealing with a billboard leasing agent, a company that handles your deal for you?
No, I am not. I'm dealing with a private person.
I mean, who is the private person? The person who's leasing your billboard? Yes. Okay.
I say private. It's a company that sells stuff here in Brevard County.
Okay, well, good for you, Don. What I'm saying is that the billboard leasing companies and the people, because my family owns a billboard, I've got personal experience. Man, those guys are trickier than used car salesmen. If you have a billboard and they want you to sign a contract where they'll be your leasing agent for your billboard, be careful. Be very careful. In fact, don't sign it until you've had a lawyer who knows what they're doing look at it like me. And I could sit here and tell you the horror stories I've seen. People have been taken advantage of and ripped off in ways that they never knew would happen. But that's what I'm saying, folks. If you're lucky enough to have a billboard, be very careful about signing contracts with leasing agents. Don, go ahead.
The person that actually is leasing the billboard from me that I have my agreement with is subleasing the billboard during off-season.
Okay. And
I am permitting that as long as I understand the deal and I approve the deal.
Okay. Good for you, Don. You're doing well. Good for you. Billboards, there's few and fewer of them these days, and our family is lucky enough to own one on Lee Road, and it's a nice little chunk of income for not doing much.